So in this video, we are required to factor this particular trinomial. Of course, this trinomial is basically a quadratic expression. Of course, for us to be able to do it, it is assumed that it can be, factorized. So we need to decompose this. How do we decompose it? We have 2x squared minus 7x plus 6. So for us to decompose it, we consider the coefficient of the first term and multiply by the last term. So if we multiply these two terms, that's 2 times 6, that is 12. So now what we are looking for now is we are looking for two terms such that when we add the two terms together, it will give us minus 7, which is the coefficient of x. And when we multiply the two terms together, it will give us 12. So basically, we make use of the factors of 12. And the factors of 12 could be 3 and 4 and 6 and 2. So looking at this, 3 and 4 will work. So the only thing is how to, place the sign. Of course, it's minus 3 and minus 4 will give us minus 7, and minus 3 times minus 4, would give us 12. So what this implies is that we can replace, minus 7x with minus 3 and minus 4. So the whole of this will now become 2x squared minus 3x minus 4x, plus 6. Don't forget, this is not an equation, it's just an expression. So we are going to decompose this side and we'll decompose this side. So what is common to both of them? X is common to both of them. So we can bring x out. We have x into brackets, 2x, right, minus 3. And one unique thing is when your decomposition is correct here, this 2x minus 3 will repeat itself here, right, instead of me trying to. So what am I going to be having outside? That is what that will give us minus 2 basically. Minus 2 times 2x, that's minus 4x. Then minus 2 times minus 3, that is plus 6. So having done that, we have this factor. So opening this will result in this. So this and this have, outside factor to this common factor. So we can bring them together to give us x minus 2, right, into bracket 2x minus 3. So this is the factor of that given polynomial. I want to believe you have gained something in this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.